हेलो 12th का स्टूडेंट्स। लास्ट टाइम हमने देखा था टॉपिक मैट्राइसेस से एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल निकालना। आज जो हमारा टॉपिक है वो है एडजॉइंट एंड इनवर्स ऑफ अ मैट्रिक्स। इसमें हम देखते हैं सबसे पहले कि एडजॉइंट क्या होता है। सो एडजॉइंट ऑफ a matrix A is defined as A के सारे कोफैक्टर्स का ट्रांसपोज। एडजॉइंट A is defined as A के सारे कोफैक्टर्स का ट्रांसपोज, यानी कि A के सारे एलिमेंट्स के हम सारे कोफैक्टर्स लिखेंगे एंड देन कोफैक्टर्स को हम ट्रांसपोज कर देंगे। ट्रांसपोज का कॉन्सेप्ट आपने देखा हुआ है लास्ट चैप्टर में। ओके, सो नाउ विल टेक एन एग्जांपल। सपोज इट्स गिवन A is equal to 1 minus 2 4 0 2 1 and minus 4 5 3. We have to find adjoint A. Okay, so firstly we'll write the all of the cofactors. Okay, so A11 is equal to, we have seen how to find the cofactors. We'll hide it and then hide. For 1, we'll hide both the rows and columns and 3 into 2 minus 5 into 1. Okay, is equal to 1. 3 to the 6 minus 5 into 1. For A12, what we'll do? This is the A12. So we'll hide this row and this column and then cross multiply and minus. Okay, A12 is minus 4. And we have also seen that it's alternate plus and minus. This is plus, this is minus, this is plus, then plus, minus, minus, plus, minus, then plus, minus, plus. Okay. So like this we'll find all the cofactors. A13 would be 8. Similarly to 26. 19, 3, minus 10, minus 1 and 2. Okay, so here we would have all the cofactors of the matrix A. Now to find the adjoint, what is the last step? We have to transpose these cofactors. Transpose meaning we have to change the columns into rows and rows into columns. So, transposing it, 126 10 126 minus 10 minus 4 19 minus 1 then 8 3 2 8 3 2. So this would be adjoint A, which was asked in the question. So this is an easy method to find the adjoint A. The second concept is inverse of matrices. So now, firstly, if you want to study the inverse of a matrice, then we have to see one concept. So the concept is singular and non-singular matrices. Okay, so what is a singular matrix? if determinant of A is 0, then it is a singular matrix. And what is a non-singular matrix? If determinant is A is not is equal to 0, then it is a non-singular matrix. Okay. So, why this concept is important? Because a matrix is only invertible if it is non-singular. It means अगर कोई मैट्रिक्स नॉन सिंगुलर है तभी उस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स पॉसिबल है. यानी कि अगर कोई सिंगुलर मैट्रिक्स है, यानी कि जिसका डिटर्मिनेंट की वैल्यू 0 है, तो उस मैट्रिक्स का इन्वर्स पॉसिबल नहीं है. ओके, so this is a basic concept. Now we'll see what is an inverse. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. Okay, A inverse is equal to 1 upon determinant A into adjoint A. So first we would have to calculate the adjoint and then multiply it with 1 upon value of the determinant. Then we would get the A inverse. So students, हम एक एग्जाम्पल देखते हैं अब इनवर्स पे. We have given a matrix 3 minus 10 minus 1 minus 2 8 2 2 minus 4 minus 2. We have to find the inverse of this matrix. So for inverse we know, firstly we will have to calculate the value of the determinant. Okay, so determinant A is equal to 3 minus 2 2 minus 10 8 minus 4 minus 1 2 minus 2. So we will calculate the determinant by first row. Then answer comes minus 16. If we calculate, the answer is minus 16. So we have determinant A. Determinant A is equal to minus 16. Now second thing, we'll have to find the adjoint. Okay, so we'll have to find the cofactors. So the cofactors would be, if we calculate, minus 8 0 minus 8 minus 16 minus 4 minus 8 minus 12 minus 4 4. Okay, these will be the cofactors if we calculate. And now we have to transpose. So the matrices is 8 minus 16 minus 12, then this 0 minus 4 minus 4, then this minus 8 minus 8 4. Okay, so this is the adjoint of A, and for finding the inverse we will have to multiply it with determinant A in reciprocal. 1 upon minus 16 into this. Okay, so 1 upon minus 16 with go inwards, so the answer would be 8 upon 6 1 by 2 1 3 by 4 0 1 by 4 1 by 4 1 by 2 1 by 2 minus 1 by 4. So this would be the inverse of the matrix. So students, these were some basic examples on adjoint and inverse. Now you have to, below this lecture you will get the exercise you have to solve and the link to the solutions.